You don't need more time. You need more space within your time. Today's rhythm reset is simple but powerful. Breathe between the bells. In my teaching years, my day was built around the bells. One class ended, the next began. But what no one talked about was how mentally exhausting it is to move from task to task without room to reset. It's easy to carry the stress from one moment straight into the next. And over time, that emotional buildup turns into anxiety, irritation, or complete shutdown. Here's the truth. Peace doesn't come from finishing everything. It comes from remembering to pause in between. Even 2 minutes of space, between calls, between caregiving tasks, between meals, can change how your brain and body show up. Today, build a sacred breath between your responsibilities. Before your next task, pause. Breathe. Ask, Holy Spirit, help me carry only what's mine into this next moment. If you can, create a 2 to 3 minute margin in your schedule this afternoon. Not to plan, not to fix, just to reset. If this helped you slow your roll, even just a little, I'd love for you to join the 7-Day Balanced Success Challenge. It's a free, grace-led journey that helps you rebuild clarity, energy, and emotional space, step by faithful step. You'll find the link below, and I hope you'll come back tomorrow for day 4.